Thank you so much for 200 followers. Genuinely, thank you. I hope I can keep entertaining you with these videos and show you tech that might be perfect for you or maybe not, and help you avoid a bad purchase either way. Every tech channel makes the same video. Unbox the printer, print a little benchy boat in 15 minutes, say, oh my god, this is insane, cut to black, video's over, but nobody shows you what happens after the cameras stop rolling. What does day 30 look like? Day 60? Today is day 249. 8 months. I've run the Bambu Lab H2S and the AMS Combo every single day. 621 hours of print time, big functional parts, tiny gadgets, multicolor art pieces. The honeymoon phase is officially over, and before anything else, this video is not sponsored at all. I know that comes up in the comments sometimes, so let me be clear. I'm a small creator. I don't have sponsors right now. If that ever changes, it'll be marked properly, no exceptions. You'll see an ad tag in the corner, and you'll know exactly which part of the video is sponsored. Today, none of it is. No sponsor talking points. Just what actually broke, how much filament I actually wasted, and whether this setup is still worth your money in 2026. Let's get into it. Let's start with the raw hardware. Day 1, the speed was a total mind blower, and 4 months in, watching that tool head whip across the bed at these accelerations still doesn't get old. But speed means wear, so how does the machine actually hold up after 249 days of hard use? Better than I expected, honestly. The carbon rods on the x-axis are engineering done right. Wipe them down with isopropyl every now and then, that's it. No greasing, no hours of belt tensioning like on the last generation of printers. The one thing you actually have to watch is the PEI plate. After a couple months, the texture starts lifting slightly if you're not careful, and you'll need to scrub it with dish soap and hot water every so often to keep adhesion at 100%. Standard maintenance, but don't skip it. Now, the actual star of the show, the reason most of you are even considering this setup, the AMS Combo. 4 spools, always loaded, always ready. This changes your entire workflow. Need a part in black? Click. Need it in white? Click. No manual reheat, pull, refeed. The convenience is unmatched, and multicolor prints genuinely look stunning. Clean layer transitions, colors that pop. But here's the number nobody puts in the thumbnail. Over 249 days, multicolor printing has cost me 15 to 25 euros in pure purge waste. That's the material the printer flushes out of the nozzle every single color change, sitting in a pile behind the printer. Here's the actual breakdown. So this isn't just a vibe. On a 4-color print with 200 grams of model material, I averaged 35 grams of purge waste, about a 15% markup. You can tune the flush volumes in the slicer to bring that down, but it never goes to zero. Bottom line, if you're using the AMS as a convenient spool swapper for single color prints, it's basically flawless. The moment you go multicolor, factor the material cost into your budget. It's real money, not a rounding error. 3D printing in 2026 isn't about G-code, USB sticks, and command lines anymore. It's about ecosystems. And this is where Bambu pulled the ultimate Apple move. Bambu Studio is, in my opinion, the best slicer on the market right now. Fast, intuitive, and the cloud sync just works. I'm on the couch, browsing MakerWorld on my phone, find something cool, hit print. The printer in the other room wakes up and starts. No SD cards, no walking back and forth. In 249 days, I had only one problem with internet connection, but it was the problem of my router, not my printer. That's genuinely top-tier reliability. But it's worth saying out loud, you are trusting a cloud pipeline with your prints. If that's a deal breaker for you, know that going in. No printer is magic, so let's talk about what actually went wrong in 8 months. And here's the honest answer. Nothing. 0 fails. Not one failed print, not one clogged nozzle. I genuinely don't know if that's the machine being that good or if I just got lucky, probably a mix of both. But I want to say this clearly instead of manufacturing drama for the video, because that's exactly the kind of fake, brutal honesty I called out at the top. The one thing I did do right, every maintenance task the printer itself flagged, bed cleaning, nozzle checks, all of it, I actually did right when it told me to. No skipping, no, I'll do it next week. Since I started following those prompts, I haven't had a single issue. So take that for what it's worth. 249 days, daily use, and the biggest maintenance lesson is almost boring. Just listen to what the printer tells you and do it. So, after 249 days, is the Bambu Lab H2S with the AMS Combo perfect? No. The purge waste on multicolor prints is a real cost, not a footnote, and at full speed, the fans sound like a jet engine taking off. But is it the best printer you can buy for your money right now? Yes, genuinely. This isn't a weekend project you're fighting to keep running. It's a tool, a reliable one that just delivers. If you're a creator, a prototyper, or you just want to print cool stuff without a mechanical engineering degree, this is it. The honeymoon's over. The performance held up anyway. If you've got your own experience with the Bambu ecosystem, good or bad, drop it below. I actually read those. Specifically, has purge waste been a deal breaker for you, or have you found a way around it? Curious what you've tried. See you in the next one. Peace.